So we're on our way to Harvey's. Harvey's is right there. I'm gonna show it to you. There's Harvey's. We're gonna go check out the lobby. I love the lobby. But here's what's around here. Parking garage, which is nothing. You got the Golden Nugget, which is right there. Got this cool rock up here. That mountain. There's valleys. Across the street, got Harris. So this is what we're looking at Lake Tahoe Boulevard. So we're gonna come in, we're gonna show you Harvey's, we're gonna show you the front of it. With this great obelisk, it's this onyx, beautiful art piece. Can't wait to show it to you. Ice Ski with Frankie Z coming to you from South Lake Tahoe. We are at Harvey's. Beautiful Harvey's. Fabulous area to check in. Beautiful hotel. It's one of my favorites. Got this great casino level as well as the level where you check in right here. It also accommodates snowboarders, skiers, all seasons. This place is the best. I ski with Frankie Z coming to you from the hotel lobby here at Harrah's. From the hotel lobby at Harvey's. And we're going to show you what's going on. Here's the hotel check-in. Here's the hotel registration. All real easy to find, just right off the lobby here. But here's that obelisk I was telling you about. Look at this thing. It goes all the way up to the ceiling and comes down. Isn't that fantastic? There's a great Starbucks that's right back here off the corner. The casino's up on the second level. Third level has executive suites and it has banquet settings. But back over here, like I was talking about, is the hotel registration. This is where you check in. And then there's this great Starbucks that sits here. And then we've got the elevators right here. So when you come in, the check-in experience is right off the Starbucks. It's right off of valet. Hotel registration is really easy to get to. I'm gonna come out here. We're gonna show you valet real quick. So here's the valet as you roll in. Give me your ticket. Drop in. Come into Harvey's. Have a great weekend. Enjoy yourself this summer, this winter, whenever you come. No. Let me step back. This is Ice Ski with Frankie Z coming to you from Harvey's, the hotel lobby. As you notice, there's this fantastic obelisk that's behind me. Has water running down it. It's an onyx obelisk that has just this great calming effect in the area. It has a pool at the bottom that the water runs into, and it cools everything. Fantastic. There's a water station over here. So bring your flask, bring your hydro flask especially, and you have free refills on the water all day long. But that's not why we're here talking about this. I just wanted to tell you that in the summertime, the rates for the hotels go up runs about 150 a night. With fees, it's about 200 a night. That's with hotel fees, taxes, and that kind of thing. So don't expect to spend less in the summer. Expect to spend more in the summer. I guess there's been a little flip-flop from what it used to be in terms of winter. It used to be 60% of the business, and now, ooh, hot mama. Anyway, summer used to be 60%, 40% of the business, and winter was 60% of the business. Now, it's reversed. Summer is 60% of the business, and winter is 40%. But the bottom line is that summers are busier than the winters, so the hotel prices run a little bit more. Now, in the winters, you can pick up a room from anywhere from about $35 up to about $135 at the casinos, and then about $500 a night at the Marriott or any of the finer resorts. Some of the smaller locations that are in the area run for about the same as these hotels do in the summer. They're about $200 a night. The Blackjack Inn and a couple of these other really cool ones, Starlight. So anyway, check it out when you get a chance. Ice Cream with Frankie Z, coming to you from Harvey's Hotel lobby. This is where you check in. This is where it all happens. Probably the tour.